press the power button, the operating system doesn't start immediately. The first important software that runs is the bootloader. A bootloader is a small program that loads the operating system kernel into memory and transfers control to it. Without a bootloader, Linux or any operating system cannot start. The boot process begins with power on. The BIOS or UEFI initializes the hardware and then starts the bootloader. Next, the bootloader locates the Linux kernel stored on the disk or flash memory. It loads the kernel image into RAM, along with supporting files like the initializes if required. After loading everything successfully, the bootloader hands over execution to the kernel. From this point, the bootloader's job is complete, and the kernel begins initializing the operating system. There are generally two stages of bootloaders. Stage 1 is very small and loads Stage 2. Stage 2 provides advanced features like boot menus, selecting different operating systems, loading kernel parameters, and recovery options. Some of the most common bootloaders are Grub for Linux desktops, Windows Boot Manager for Windows systems, and U-Boot, which is widely used in embedded systems, routers, and IoT devices. The key takeaway is this: firmware prepares the hardware, the bootloader loads the kernel, and the kernel starts the operating system. That's the complete boot chain behind every Linux system.